What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a simpler one for you, but no less delicious. We got 2 times spicy samyang ramyeon and 3 kinds of Korean corn dogs. So starting from the left, we have the original mozzarella sausage. In the middle, we have the sausage duk, which is sausage and tteokbokki, aka rice cake. And the last one is a fried chicken sausage corn dog. Let's get it. Okay, so I'm gonna get some hot water into these instant noodles first so these can get cooking while I try some of these for y'all. Let's open them up. We can get some water in these. Ooh, it's burning my hand. The steam. Can cover these now. Okay, so first, you already know we gotta start off with the Diet Coke. Let's get a sip of this going. Nice. So good, as always. Okay, first I'm going to start with a bite of the original mozzarella and hot dog. Here's how it looks. Okay, first bite of the original mozzarella and sausage Korean corn dog. Let's get it. No cheese pull there, but here's how it looks like. I'm gonna try and heat this up a little bit so the cheese is a little bit more gooey. And then I'm also gonna check on the instant noodles as well. So I'll catch you in a sec. Okay, so while I'm heating up the original mozzarella one, I am going to prep the noodles. So let's get these going. And these ones are really nice because they have holes at the top where you can literally just pour out the water from the other side. Okay. Okay, so the original one's good to go. I'm just gonna put the sauce in the noodles and then we can keep going. Oh, it smells so good. Let's get back into the mozzarella cheese one. Let's get it. Cheese, a lot more stringy now. Still really good and crispy. All right, now for the sausage duck, aka sausage and rice cake. If you're Korean, this is pretty similar to sotok sotok. And for those of you who don't know, it's just sausage and tteokbokki in kind of a stick. and then it goes sausage tteokbokki, sausage. That's why it's called sutok sutok. Okay, so let's try the sausage tteok out. This one's really good because you get that really crispy exterior with that chewy and nice moist rice cake on the inside, as well as that kind of salty sausage that contrasts the sweet chili sauce on top. Let's try the fried chicken corn dog. Here's how it looks. First bite of this. The fried chicken on the exterior, I was a little scared it's gonna be dry, but really not. And that extra chicken flavor really makes this that much better. So I'm actually gonna go in for a second bite here. All right, I'm going to actually put these on the platter so y'all can see what they look like, and I'm gonna move the corn dogs to the side. So put these here and then let y'all see what the noodles look like. Whew, oh my gosh, the sauce. So these are what the noodles look like. Spicy, steamy, and really good. So let's get a first bite of this going for y'all. That's what it looks like. First bite. 2 times spicy Korean ramyeon. Another bite. Back to the original. Woo. These noodles are fire, literally. You see my eyes watering up a little bit. But let me know in the comments what type of spice you're okay with. Let me know if you've tried these before, because these are spicy. Let's get a sip of the Coke and cool down a little bit. Oh, so good. Let me know down in the comments how y'all receive spice. For me, like usually if it's not really that spicy, I'll tend to sweat on my nose and brow a little bit. But if it's really spicy, I'll sweat a lot, as you can probably see right now. So let's keep going though. It's one of those really addicting spices, so let me know if this encourages you to try it or actually stay away from it. Whew, let's keep going. So here's what the sausage chuck looks like on the inside. I got to that layer where it's the tteokbokki. Really nice, chewy, and contrasts well. All right, let's keep going with the noodles. These are definitely the type of noodles though that you don't want to go down the wrong tube because you're actually gonzo after this. Gonzo after this. Oh, man. But yeah, really good. I'd highly recommend if you like spice. Let's try them both out. I'll be honest with y'all, I'm not too keen on finishing these noodles because it's like building up to the point where it's almost unenjoyable. So put these to the side real quick and then get back to the Korean corn dog. Okay, this is the sausage duck. And I'm gonna do last few bites of this. Okay, let's keep going with this fried chicken one. I am going to put this to the side for now and then move on to dessert as I got some red bean mochi and some smaller rice cakes with some sweet syrup in them. So let's get to that. Okay, all right, now that we've had the chance to cool down a bit, I'm gonna get into some dessert, which I have right here. Here's how it looks like. In the middle, we have some red bean mochi, and then surrounding it, we have some mini rice cakes with sweet syrup on the inside. So let's get some of the rice cake first. Pick a cute pink one up. That's what it looks like. All right, let's get a bite of this. So it has that kind of traditional rice cake flavor that we're all really used to, but on the inside it has this tiny pocket where they filled with sweet syrup. So when you bite in, you get that rice cake flavor, but when mixed with that, you know, really nice sweet, not overly sweet syrup flavor. So let's go in for the red bean mochi. First bite of this. So damn good. The mochi, I'm pretty sure you can see, but it's like super stretchy and chewy, really soft too. And they put a lot of red bean filling, which is nice. And sometimes the red bean filling on desserts or even more savory dishes can be a little bit dry, but this one, as you can see, Really nice moisture, really sweet. Let's go in for another bite. Okay, so one thing I actually really like about these desserts is that they're not overly sweet. And that's something I look for in a lot of places that I go to, because it tends to be really overly sweet and honestly ruins the experience of the dessert a little bit. But this one has a really nice balance. The red bean filling's not too sweet. The syrup filling's not too sweet, which means I'm a really happy guy. So let's go in for another bite of the rice cake with sweet syrup. I'll try and get a half bite for y'all. Okay, this is what I was tasting earlier, but I wasn't sure. There's actually mini roasted sesame seeds in here. I was kind of tasting that flavor earlier, but I didn't want to say because I didn't know if it actually did have it or if the rice cake had it. But yeah, I don't know if you can see, but here's what it looks like. Yeah, these sesame seeds add a super nice touch. I've mentioned in my previous videos, it gives a really nice nutty flavor to a lot of things. So can be used in either a sweet or savory sense. Okay, we go for the devil. I'm gonna go for one more bite of this. Okay, one more. So good.
Oh, this stuff is buzzing.
All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning into this week's latest video. Hope y'all enjoyed me suffering there a little bit. Not planned, but delicious nonetheless. Corn dogs, ramyeon, and dessert all together. Like I said before, I'm gonna be filming more content than I usually do this week and next week. So expect super dope content to be coming out in the next few weeks. Yeah, if you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think I should eat next time. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Yo, your eyes are so red. Are they red?